How are you doing? Is everything okay at home? I hope it is. And I also hope you are eating healthy now that you're staying at home. Today, I am going to show you how to cook. We are going to prepare 2 healthy recipes that you can have for breakfast. Are you ready? Okay, the first one is going to be overnight oats. And now I'm going to show you what do you need for this recipe, okay? The ingredients are, we will need oatmeal. Look at it. It's dry. Can you see it? The main ingredient is oatmeal. We will need some chia. Can you see it? Chia seeds. Ooh, they stay in my hand. We will also need some linseeds. Pecans, cinnamon, honey, and milk. Now that you have all your ingredients, don't forget that the first thing to do is to wash your hands, okay? Now, how are we going to prepare the overnight oats? We will need a mason jar like this with a lid, okay? Don't forget, it needs to have a lid like this. You will put the oatmeal inside your mason jar. Like this. Can you see the oatmeal? Then with a spoon, just put a little bit of chia seeds, a little bit of lime seeds. I love cinnamon, so I will put some cinnamon inside too. If you don't like cinnamon, just don't use it. And as I want my overnight oats sweet, I will use honey. Yummy! Some honey. Then you add some milk until you cover the oats. Like this. You mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. And now, when you mix everything super good, you close your mason jar and you put it inside the refrigerator all night long, okay? Next morning, as you can see, the oatmeal, the chia, and the lime seeds are hydrated. And now, before you eat it, you can put some pecans inside. Pecans are crunchy. And they have oil that is good for your body. Okay? This is super healthy and delicious, and you can have it for breakfast. And it will give you a lot of energy. You mix the pecans, and now it's ready. Now that my overnight oats are ready, I will have breakfast. Yummy, super good.
Put your apron on.
Wash your hands.
Let's get out some pots and pans, cups,
Plates and a wooden spoon.
tap, 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 a little cooking tune. 'Cause cooking in the kitchen is so much fun. We're cooking dinner for everyone. We're cooking in the kitchen, baking a cake. So many yummy things we can make. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Stir it, mix, mix, mix.
Let's mix up a bowl of goo with a little bit of water and flour too. Stir it up until it's nice and thick. Then put it in the oven for 1 minute.
'Cause cooking in the kitchen is so much fun. We're cooking dinner for everyone. We're cooking in the kitchen, baking a cake. So many yummy things we can make. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Stir it, mix, mix, mix.
Roll some dough with a rolling pin.
Let's make cookies for all our friends. Stars, squares, and circles too. Cutting out shapes for me and you. 'Cause cooking in the kitchen is so much fun. We're cooking dinner for everyone. We're cooking in the kitchen, baking a cake.
So many yummy things we can make.
Cook, cook, cook,
Cooking in the kitchen.
cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Cook, cook, cook,
Cooking in the kitchen.
stir it, mix, mix, mix. Stir it, cooking in the kitchen. Mix it, cooking in the kitchen. Whisk it, cooking in the kitchen. Roll it, cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen is so much fun. We're cooking dinner for everyone. We're cooking in the kitchen, baking a cake. So many yummy things we can make. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Cook, 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 cooking in the kitchen. Stir it, mix, mix, mix. And when we're done, we wash up and put everything away. So all our cooking things are ready for our next cooking day. Cook, cook, cooking in the kitchen. Cook, cook, cooking in the kitchen. Cook, cook, cooking in the kitchen.
Well, now I will give you the second recipe. This one is also delicious and healthy. But for this one, you will use the stove. So mommy and daddy need to be next to you, okay? The ingredients I am going to use for this recipe are 1 egg, some bread, milk, maple syrup, cinnamon, and butter. Do you know what I'm gonna prepare? I'm gonna make some French toast. Are you ready? Okay, follow me. I have to put my egg inside a bowl. Then I'm gonna add some milk, just a little bit of milk. I like putting some maple syrup too in here, just a little. And some cinnamon. Can you see? Then you have to mix it very well. Oh, the yolk of the egg is very jello. You can add some more milk if you want. I will add a little bit more of milk. I continue mixing And when the mixture is done, I will turn on the fire of my stove. For this stove, I need some matches. You cannot use matches. Mommy and Daddy, they can use matches. Remember, you can burn yourself. I need to be careful. So, I put some fire on my stove. And the pan is here. Now, I'm going to use the butter I put some so the bread won't stick to the pan. Like this, just a little bit of butter. Then I'm gonna take my slice of bread like this. You turn it like this, and you put it in the pan. Mommy needs to do this. When it's cooked on that side, you have to turn it. You have to wait a little bit. It's almost ready. It smells delicious. You can have this for breakfast. It's similar like pancakes, and it tasted good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And when it's done, you can put on top more maple syrup, or you can use chocolate syrup, or maybe some jam, jelly. What do you like? Let's check if it's ready on this side. Can you see the difference? And I put it in my plate. Now that it's done, like this. I'm going to put the other slice of bread as you can see. The French toast is ready. It's breakfast time! I hope you like the recipes I gave you. Try to prepare them with all your family. It will be fun. Bye guys, I miss you.